Welcome to digitalconstructive.com, and in this video we're going to be taking a quick look at a few C-17 glazing contractor license exam questions. A light of glass, which is 42 inches by 62 inches, has approximately how many square feet of glass? The correct answer is D, 18. Which of the following is most important when considering using a heavy door in a storefront system? The correct answer is C, pivot hinges. When assembling an aluminum patio door frame, how should the frame be sealed? The correct answer is C. Seal the sill corners and screw holes. Now, these are just a few of the thousands of possible questions that could appear on the C-17 exam. Obviously, you're going to need to know about planning and estimation, evaluating plans and specifications, obviously fabrication and installation of framing systems, installation of glazing materials, safety. There's a lot of information that's going to be referenced on the trade portion of the test. So it's really important that you're prepared, you've seen the correct information, and you have an idea of what kind of questions could appear on the exam. 24% of the exam covers planning and estimation, 22% covers fabrication and installation of framing systems, 22% covers fabrication and installation of glazing materials, 18% covers glazing replacement and retrofit projects, and 14% covers safety. What we've done is we've taken everything that's going to be on the exam, we've condensed it into a summarized Cliff Note format. You're getting the most specific information covering exactly what's on the exam. It's presented to you in a clearly written way with examples and descriptions and several diagrams. This could come in either physical or ebook study guides. You'd get online practice tests, online lectures, mathematics reviews, and then of course all of our programs come with application tutorials and reviews to ensure that your application is filled out correctly before you send it off to the CSLB. Just wanted to make this quick video. A lot of you guys were asking about the test questions on the exam. We've got another video that goes a lot deeper into the mathematics on the test, the law side of the exam, everything that you need to know in terms of what subjects are covered on the test, where do you take the exam, the process. I definitely suggest you check out that video. And then we've got another one that goes into the C-17 license requirements, how you're going to need to fill out your certification of work experience and explain your experience, everything that you need to know from an administrative side for taking the exam. So I definitely recommend that you check out those two videos. If you're interested in our C-17 crash course, you can find that in the links below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. Any questions that you have, drop them in the comments below. Again, this is digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.